Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Epson L1800 printer driver in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. Open any web browser and here type Epson L1800 printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the Epson. Open the first link. Here we find Epson website, Epson L1800, our printer name. Scroll down and here we find downloads. In downloads we find operating system and it's not detect our operating system. Click at here. And if you find Windows 11 at this point, then select Windows 11. But this printer is not supporting Windows 11. So go to the Windows 10 64-bit or any other version of the 64-bit. I'm going to the Windows 10 64-bit. Here we find Go button. Click on the Go button and this page is refreshed and new drivers are available on this website. Scroll down and here we find last option on the bottom. We find drivers, expand drivers. Click on plus button. Here we find printer driver for Windows 64-bit. Click at here. Download. Click on download. It's redirect you to the another page. Click on the accept. Our download is started at here. In download, it takes few seconds or few minutes depending on the speed of internet. So be patient and wait for a few minutes. Our download is completed. It's take few seconds. Click on show in a folder. Minimize our website and drag this setup file to desktop and close it. Here is our setup file. This setup file is actually zip file and we are going to extract this zip file. Right click on it. Go to the show more options. Click on extract file. Click on extract files. Click on the OK. And new folder is created on our desktop. Double click on that folder. Here we find one folder. Double click on it. Double click on it. And here is our drivers. Close it. And we are going to install these drivers manually. This is the simplest way to install this printer on Windows 11 PC or laptop. Go to the start. Type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanners at the top we find add a printer or scanner, add a device. Click on add a device and new option is pop up in a few seconds. Wait for a few seconds and new option is pop up. Here we find new option. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click on add a manually. Click on the close. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer, select the last option. Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last options. Click on the next. Here we find existing port. Click at here. And if you find any USB port, USB 001, 002, 003, 004, select any USB port that you find. I find USB 001. I select USB 001. Click on the next. Here we find have a disk. Click on the have a disk. Click on the browse. Go to the desktop. On desktop, we find our folder. Double click on our folder. Double click on our folder. Double click on it. And here we find our drivers. Select our drivers. Click on the open. Click on the OK. Here we find Epson L1800 series. It is a series printer. Select that printer. Click on the next. Here we find name. Give any name that you want. I give the Epson L1800. Click on the next. It's installing our printer. It's take less than a few minutes. So be patient and wait for a few minutes. Our printer is installed in a few seconds. If you want to share this printer on network, then select this last option. Share this printer on network. I don't want, so I select the first option. Do not share this printer. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on the finish. Our printer is installed now. Check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start and type printers and scanners once again. Click on the printers and scanners. And if you find Epson L1800, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.